guys, how to access structure elements. How to access structure elements. How to access structure elements. Right, guys. Next, we can access structure elements two ways. We can access structure elements two ways. One is using structure variable. Using structure variable. Second one is using structure pointer. Using structure pointer. Okay, how to declare structure variable? You know this. Struct to student s1. This is structure variable. It is structure pointer. How to declare? Struct to student star ptr. Star ptr. This is structure pointer. Okay, ptr should point to s1. Okay, ptr should point to s1. Address of s1. Okay, this is ptr is pointing to this location. Right, s1, whenever if I write that s1, 26 bytes will be allocated. For pointer, 2 bytes only will be allocated. No 26 bytes. Are you following? It won't allocate 26 bytes for ptr. Ptr is a pointer. You know, pointer takes 2 bytes. Whatever the pointer it is, if it is integer or character or float, whatever the pointer it is, whatever the type of pointer, it takes 2 bytes. Okay, ptr is pointing to s1. Okay, how it will be the diagram? This is s1, right? This is s1. Ptr also point to same location. Ptr also point to same location now. Okay, ptr is pointing address of s1. Okay, how to access these elements? With respect to s1 you can access, and with respect to ptr through s1, through ptr. S1 is a structure variable, ptr is a pointer variable. Okay, if it is structure variable, how to access? Using dot operator. Using dot. What is dot? That is struct to member operator. Using struct to member. Using struct to member operator. Okay, that is called, dot is called struct to member operator. Using struct to member operator we can access. Okay, now if it is a arrow, a pointer, then how to access? Using arrow. You know this operator. And hyphen, minus and arrow, right? Greater than. Okay, we can write, this is called, using arrow is, this is called pointer to member operator. Pointer to member operators. Struct to member and pointer to member. Using this operator we can access. Example, I want to assign 100 value here. I want to assign 100 value. 0 is there. I want to assign 100. 0 is there. I want to write 100. Okay, how to write 100? See, using dot we can access. Using s1 you can access. Using pointer we can access. Okay, if it is arrow, if it is dot, s1, how to access? S1 dot s number equals to 100. Are you following? Use this value. How to access them? Access means how to use in the program. How to access? S1 dot s number is 100. If it is a pointer, how to access? ptr arrow s number. This is using pointer. Clear, guys? How to access with the variable and how to access with the pointer? S1 dot s number. This is ptr arrow s number. Okay, same way, I want to assign some name here. I want to assign some name abc. I want to assign. How to assign a name here? Tell me, guys. How to assign? S1 dot s name equals to, can I write abc? It is an error. We know this. We cannot assign a string like this. We cannot assign a string. How to assign a string? We cannot assign a string like this. How to assign a string? Lohit, how to assign string? Can we write like this? Can we write like this? Ruhina. Yeah, Ruhina, can we assign like this? Yeah.
No, I guess by using
Yes.
string copy or
Yeah.
by using character array.
Yeah, good. Yes, yes. We should not assign directly string. We have to use strcpy. This is the way you have to assign. strcpy of s1 dot s name equals to, this way you have to assign abc. You have to use string copy. Same way pointer also. How to assign? strcpy of uh, ptr arrow s name. We have to write like this. ptr arrow s name. Okay. And what we want to assign? I want to assign abc. Now I am assigning abc. Same way, average also I want to assign. How to assign average? S1 dot average. S1 dot average equals to some value 56.7 or something. Okay, how to assign this? PTR arrow average. Write something 67.8. Right? We can assign like this using structure variable and using structure pointer. In linked list we write like this arrow s PTR arrow, right? Why do you write like this? That's a pointer. Through pointer we are accessing. That's why we write like this. Guys, write this. These two steps we write a program. Guys, right? How to access I will show you. See this. First, right? Finished, guys, right? Finished now? We can access structure elements two ways, using structure variable and using structure pointer. Okay, first write this. We discuss a program. Okay, see, we display the program. See how to write. Can I write inside structure? Structure can I write inside of the function? Is it valid or not? We'll discuss in the next class. Now I will write above the main function. Struct to student series S1. S1 declare a variables integer S number and character S name of 20, character S name of 20 character size and float average. Here you have taken three variables, S number and S name and average, and as well as local variable it is struct to student S2. This is a local variable. Okay, clear screen, it removes. What is size of S1 and S2? Okay, I will take it as S1 only. See this. If it is a local variable, what are the initial values? S1. Okay, if it is a global variable, initial values I want to print. Print S number and S name and average. Now I want to print S number. S number is what? Percentile D. How to print S1 dot S number? If it is a global variable, what is the value? See once, that is garbage. Sorry, 0. S name also I want to print. What is S name? Null value. Null value means it won't print anything. Now I want to print S name. S name is what? Percentile S. How to write? S1 dot S name. S1 dot S name. Okay, what is S name? See, S name also nothing. Null value nothing. Average I want to print. How to print average? Now I want to print average here. Average equals to percentile F S1 dot average. Percentile S1 dot average. See, these are local global variable initial values are 0, 0, null and 0 0.0. If I take it as a local variable, see guys, now I am declaring as a local. Now it takes the priority this one S1. Okay, see global initial values are see garbage values. Clear? If it is a local variable, default values are garbage. If it is a global variable, default values are zeros. Okay, now I want to assign a values. Okay, how to assign S1 dot S number? See, S1 dot S number equals to 100. See the value. First, this is 100. Enter S name also. How to assign S name? S1 dot name equals to, can I write ABC or something? See, if I write like this, compiler will give an error. We should not write like this. We should not assign like this. Then how to assign? Right? strcpy you have to use. strcpy of s1 dot s name equals to, we have to write like this. s1 dot s name equals to, which one you want to assign? ABC string I want to assign. See, that is ABC. And average, how to assign average? S1 dot average equals to, and 67.8 or something. See this. Now I assign this one. Okay, if it is pointer, how to access? If it is a pointer, how to access? You know this. Okay, here if it is pointer, we have to take star ptr. You know this. If it is star ptr, how to write? Instead of this, we have to write ptr arrow s number, ptr arrow s name, and we can write like this. Guys, understood, right? If it is a pointer and if it is a variable, how to access? Okay, right, guys, this program, how to access the elements. And also many subtopics are there. We discuss those tomorrow session. Write this first.